Orafo, mamema wakwaba emfa wombra GCN page so. Midin ede adwoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya be on so. Ube your notification. And some me koso o me bi abenye bi atie. Anase ubenye bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha. Felix appear eye Facebook blogger. Na ni dwumadi odu o Facebook no watu ni din political zone. Oye NPP ni. Na o kyerɛ sɛ ɔno te ase ya ne krate ase enya de obetumi de nanado n'anim aye fam kra ne papa ne nanado enti obi a why wadwen sɛ odi nanado na membu betwitwi fam ne de ɔntwe ma kra na ne ɔtwe cameras ne so na sɛ odi atem anya sanketo akra na odi atem na onim na ɔyɛ ndisi na obepie di pages na keka kwasa asɛm de ɔbɛka kyerɛ ɔno na ne video ɔyɛ ndra ɛna ndisi ne bi ma comment na ɔkyerɛ sɛ he fa wo kwasa asɛm fi me page ne so wate na mu ndisi fo na mu pɛ no kware wo man mu na propaganda nkoa na ye mu de no mu njai sebi ojimi ni na mu nhwe nyansa na ina fele se kire se ndisi fo mu sisi mu nye skendi ntimu ani abre sisi mu nye skendi ntimu ani abre eya amampani dada a wonya ne baabi ko papa Atta Mills eye owura kufuo ebe ye president a wokoe no na economy no eye very good ankasa e no de hye owura Atta Mills nsa ono so ba na oto aso ato say Fofia to atawdi efi ma omampani dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama beto aso no ene oba not tiska o rough o omampani dada Atta Mills o bo akwasika no nya bindi mala me nuano ma vantini nya na weti tiska ma no we di crime deny it say ndisi phone penasem na mom omampani dada John Dramani Mahama ban no tiska ma munti no na ye monde o tiska ma munti na ye monde enti kura na enti modi ku o mampani dada Atta Mills a odi efi mi ku amuku no na o ma musika eye o mampani dada de obeye president o ma musika enti na mo pena sema chese ye kan sema ebebo o man Ghana ye di ye tu ye na mo simuntie ba bia mo pese chenchen o mampani dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama na oba na yenti nsema Felix ede etudwa.
Stupid ministers and your stupid parliamentarians to block everything that Ghana wants to do for Ghana. And Jimmy for it was under Mr. Mahama that Ghana had to sleep on the doom so that we have to sign power purchase agreement that we are paying for. It was under your stupid government. It was under that your clueless, foolish government, Rubin Kumasa. Yes, Subasa, Jimmy, and Yamon Kwasiafo way, and I'm going to call IMF. Kufuwa be share o man no kufuwa be share o man ni do baby san ko man ni ma ni mo so Atta Mills be di ade e na baifu amompa de pa on pesu obe wies ka be discanti mo bo mo di ku ni free ho e na mo ko fra comfortati am ade no betena ho se won metete contract ma mo ni kwa moa kwa siafo mo sue nyansa Atta Mills de na on titi scam mo Atta Mills ono de no metiti scam mo enti Jimmy for na mo mpena se mo so oye amelia o hyehyedem o moa mo niska asia mesi ene mo be Jimmy ade aye de be ya mo ha no ukoda na sensem na ringi wo wutirima bon say yes nyansani aka nyansasem asia sma kwa yesu ba je ode na okra ne de wo kra say is house anso ya bo akra kan block yourself ajagureja foolish you. I'm telling you, sir, when I say stuff, when I say stuff, and then you think, say, oh, other alternative, bring it here. Let us interrogate it here. If I say something and you think what I'm saying is a liar, I dare you to put it here. Put it here. Asiafana mo fi say ye bejeja mo te say sa 2016 na mo de mo bejeja na manu chokro de enimu kra na maka na MPP for ya abo abia samoanom o ma hyehyehye suit akotena tena say no my propaganda sa dia fm 169 to 170 away 137 dum there. Number 1, before Rezan Jimeyabua, before I block you, let me teach you. Go on myjoyonline.com. Go and read what Gridco said. After you read what Gridco said, for your shallow minds to know that it is not a financial issue, bring the light back. Were you able to sleep in light after you paid more? Please let us know. Let me know. Wow, me be some simple question. I'm asking you, say, when Mr. Mahama said, say, if you want to sleep in light, pay more. Please, did the light come back? I'm sure he didn't come back. Okay. The same man, when the lights went off, when Ghanaians were seeing everything, said the thing was a money problem, he stood and his ministers and Jinapo and them told us that no, it's not true. Oh, it's not true. Power never horn, power nembra. After this is what they did. 17 power purchase agreements. Take or pay. Who you swow? When you swow, who bet your cat? Go and calculate the amount of money Nana Akufo-Addo has to pay from 2017 to 2020 alone, just for those things that we were not using. Until recent, and a Ghana gas for yadom, and yet to me a peja bako, ediakosi a canon, yapia ediakosi takrado, baby, as they say no, say a day Ghana gas for a reverse flow, moya, and the barber tie into it, let me a power no, said the bear, crone benyamu power heading, a yusu. As no be. Akwa sensan said the be no busumi bia obenya ni sika kakra obenya ni chobo kakra dinti na Ghana 8 years ka e de mesa nipa ko no me say o wira free say dum so baaye e ma papa bi if we can trust this man e ka kire yen say Ghana fo e Ruben Kumasa wo use phone dodo wo to ono wo ye konkonsa ni nti de bia wo ti Facebook a wo di kokonsa de bia wo di atronti no wo use phone dodo kakra na wo battery ewu wo kokonsa subanya wo di afaton wo so abai oba ankasa be wo ba warefo ankasa be betena fie ahwe wo mma wo sori ya Facebook na wo tie na wo di nsekuo ni di ye no se wo battery share na wo battery wu na wo charge a Mr. Mahama ka kire wo say wo twa wo phone na wo use no e do dodo enu ntia. So when you sit there na so bi twa wo ntro na wo kro ya wo san ba na se wo ba be keka nsem a enimu a me se me can a fact. Oh, alternative fact I know abeka kire me. Dia make ni na Ghana for some me bo amon kan kire me. Ye ni ho no mo beka kire ye say ship bi akobo supply alata for gas ya omode man ye no e na ebu e ntro me pa cho we ye ntro. E ntro na isn't this what happened? E ntro. Didn't Mr. Mahama say okay, if you want to sleep in light pay more. And also I mean American. Me pa to mama mi hu mama mi hu David Ali me say mama mi hu say number 1 did Mr. Mahama say if you want to sleep in light pay more? Did he say that? NDC for tell me, did he say that? Let me know. Why can't you guys just answer the truth? Like see yeah mama question na mo answer na mo gina ho di atem me say won kuta factor me page is na be fono Baba Salifu another Toboase a chire no a campaign. I want to read from an NDC hand. I want to read one person. I want to read one person on country me say Mr. Mahama Ruben fine NPP for you're confused. To save your own self from being blocked, I'm asking you a simple question. Ruben, did Mr. Mahama say that if you want to sleep in light pay more? Did he say that? I want you to answer me, and I want to do a program. No, yes, but the M so no yari yabaniyem, but me bisa. Did Mr. Mahama say, oh free? Mr. Mahama is not in power. That is why foolish people like you must shut the fuck up and let the real government run the country. That is why stupid doomsaw people, 4 years doomsaw people, you must shut up and let people who have the power and who have the brains have the peace of mind to fucking run the country. And not telling your